3, 2, 1, go! Oh, sorry. Hit! Yep.
You free-fired me. You hit me in the knuckles.
I was shooting at her.
I was shooting at you.
Yeah, you did good.
Did I actually get you?
I have no idea. I was like, oh, they're all right there. There's the shield.
I wish my pistol didn't break.
Barely hit me. Here, here, and here.
Oh.
Right here.
How do you think we all felt?
I really feel it. Got any ammo? Take my... You guys got a perfect smoke clean. Laying right under the truck. I just don't have a pistol, so I can't go in a riot shield.
They're little, they can fit under smaller spaces. Yeah, when I came around the corner. It was a hail of BBs. I have no idea who hit me, but it was on my left side, so it might have been you. Shoot him in the foot! Shoot him in the foot! Under the truck! You gotta help kids out, man. I can't see.
Your wife said that if I shot you, that she'd give me $1.
So should we tell her you owe me or you owe her $1, or she owes you $1? Okay. Yeah. What kind of battery does it use? Under the combine. He doesn't know which side they're going to go on. Oh my gosh.
They're not even going to feel it. You gotta reload, and they're not gonna try. I hear you fired.
Neither team is advancing at this point.
I'll come back for that to get a zombie.
No.
No. Toss my knife in there.
Come on, just stay in the end.
That's why I got clobber them. Partner, then kill him. Good, he's
Oh, got hit. Hit.
Maybe ditch the shield and just go around the corner. That wind, man. That shield, look at that. Oh, I wouldn't want to use this as a shield in the wind. Look at that. It's like shoving me. It's like shoving me in the wind. It's like a kite. Well, it's because you're wearing too much on it. That's what your boots on.
All you want to just like, right there.
Yeah, you're wearing like juggernaut pattern, so you're not going to feel it.
I hit him in the head.
Huh? No, they're saying Jesse's wearing juggernaut armor. Yeah. Nobody's wearing there? Use the shield. Yeah. I was shooting at Emma. We happened to come around the corner while a BB flew through the hole.
I saw you and I was just shooting.
Oh yeah, when I came around the corner, it was like all guns on me. I was like, oh! I don't know who got me. I know it was on my left side, so I don't think it was anywhere in the field. Everybody was shooting at me, yeah. I could see all the BBs just... Everybody says they hit me. Except for your throat. Yeah, that was mine. That was from the tractor, and she was on the corner of the shop.
I thought this goes around it. So what do you have?
Now we do it, run it again. I suggest you guys drop the shields out. It's kind of windy.
It's really Y'all seen a green and black knife?
Yeah, I'll keep them out. Yeah. Okay. In the grass.
Put it in here a little bit.
I think I might have been because I think you started shooting. You might have, when you pulled up, you might have bumped it.
Except that I was shouldering.
Oh. Well, there you go. Here. Yeah. Yep.
I should just hide back here. Go put this on my car, please.
Now you're just somebody that I want tonight.
Right on the top of the head, like right there. I heard it and then felt it.
Oh, I almost collided with Jonathan. I was going for the rock.
On my novice, it's back to the lips. It's like.
Oh, I guess I should probably knock it. That could have been bad. Click, click. Oh no! Dude, I've had so many games where like we go out, right? We're like scouting around. And I'm like, oh, there's a guy. Pull up, click. Safety's on.
I did that with my sniper. Like a perfect shot, but I tried. When you pull the bolt back, it puts the safety on.
Ready?